Hi friends, good morning. Let us start the login page here. First we login.php page will start it, and here we put the code like script code of the PHP, and we have to add the form here. How we put a form here? Let us see. The form is to start with this code starting form. Okay, so as you put a form, so it will be required just putting here, and we can add two things like that: login, email and password. Okay, so email, this is the line, and where required is very important because that is a type of validation. So put this code on your page, and this is the way how we could add, or we could make it required. Okay, the next line, that is email and password. Okay, next line the password, so also same, that should be also unique, and that should be required. And now button is that will be execute. So button clicking will be checking the login. Okay, because the name is login, so here to put the connection file, that's our phone connection file database, and here we just put our if condition, if the login is clicked. Okay, or we can say it posted. So this if this is set or posted login. Okay, so we put here login. Now if login is done, okay, if the person we have been logged in here, so under this code we will check out if username and password both, like email and password, there are, if you are posting the email and password, so they should also register here as email and password. Okay, even one thing we could do here is if this is after for checking that. Okay, once we check for the email, or if the post has posted email and password, so you can click this. Okay, and here we just checking the validation. If this record, although we have put the same thing in the form, also we could make this here. If email and password are not blank, they should not be blank. If they are blank, so then the message that they should not be blank. Okay, so we can put together both of one time that the email is blank, or even if the password is blank. If the password is blank, so we could make it a bit different. So when we could end posted password is equal to blank. Okay, posted password is blank. If both are blank, so we could not go forward. So that we must give the message that they should not be blank. Okay, echo, or you can say message. We could put a message. There is a message writing. This message should be there, and our data from here will go. Message equal to this message. This message will display at the bottom. Okay, so here it is. We could put the code that this cannot be blank. Okay, they cannot be blank. Both cannot be blank. Okay, now we have to go forward as if insert. We insert means that this a variable, and we put the selection. If we connection on, okay, under this SQL query, that is select form that email or password. Okay, if the email is just such like that, and the password is the posted that we have, you can see above that we have put if both are matching. So it can say, if it is possible, that it can say that, okay, if that happens, then we go for the while, and under the while we put this. Okay, that is a insertion will be query insertion will be passed. Even we could put one thing here. What if we go and we say if this is done, if it's not done, if this is not correct. Okay, if this is false, false. Okay, here is false. If this is false, so we say that echo, this will message. Okay, this will make a message that this is wrong. Okay, this is not found. But if this is done, else if, okay, else if done, so this will be given at the session starting. Okay, session starting, because session is very important to, we can watch in all the pages. So if session username is equals to that of the email, posted email. Okay, posted email will be here. Now we could put the other data, like we could put here a data like that header like home.php. So we could go on home.php when this is successful. Okay, something that we have to do on any login, any email, any type of login pages. That's really important data. This much is very important. We shouldn't go forward. Yeah, it is possible we could do many things there, but this is the shortest method. Okay. Now see here, we could even say that if that not clicked, so it will be saying that wrong login or wrong information whatsoever there is, it would say the wrong details or whatever. Okay, so here we have a connection file. How we can get the connection from this first home page. We put first home.php, where this message will display if the login is completed, so home page will open. Okay, here we have this is data that will be put as this is the welcome and successfully logged in. Okay, so this is the page which will display after the login. Now we watch out there if there is our browser. We could see in our browser first connection file also will be required. Connection file connection.php we put there, and we write the code for connection file. So it is the first localhost equal to this is the server name. Okay, localhost server name is this. So after PHP query we could put this record here, as we have this record username and password and DB database name. Okay, these all records are there, we have to put. Okay, now we just watch out this as the connection equal to this is the query of the login. We can say not login but connection file, how we put the connection. Okay, so connecting a database, this is the way. Con equal to this localhost plus this user and plus this. Okay, these also we have put now, and here we have if not connected, so the message will display that as we have also written in the login page. So message will given in the login page because this is also included. Okay, so friends, now see, we watch on the login that our PHP admin, where we have put our record, our table we made. So this should be the record should be matched as we just make our database name today. Okay, our database name is today. So under this DB we have ID which should be like this because we have to make this primary key, and even we have to save this record. So after saving this record, we have to put insert one data, because one field at least we should put there so we can log in. So this information we have to put here, like the informations are there important, and go. Okay, this record saved. Now we have a record, and we can see that how we log in our page. Okay, how we log in our page. First, this is not a good look. Okay, we can change the look. How we go for the form. We make a better format of 3 lines there. How to make there's a need of table. Okay, table is very important thing. As we create this, like you must know that our table is creating like this method. So all the 3 columns are there. One is first and second and third. Okay, these all are made just like this with format of the table. So under the table, the look of the text boxes and button will look like that. So only tr, db, that td and tr are most common things. You have to maintain them. As you know that this is the basic work we could set up. Now this looks better. Okay, so as you click on this button, now we have to see record how these all fields should be like that. Okay, even you can remove one line there is we say displaying there. Okay, it was displaying there. Even you can make the comment of that, but even we will try this. Now see here how we go to database and see the record, like this is the JMS and password. So we could put here just no JMS. Okay, sort with JMS. Okay, added gmail.com and password JMS 123. Okay, so go. Oh, it's wrong. There is something required to change. Okay, so let us do something change here, like okay, this is important data also to put, and there is yeah, because this is better to, you know, sometimes this doesn't work. So let us see now again CMS and this. Okay, so I think it's fine to understand now. Definitely log. Okay. Oh great, this is done. So thanks friends, this is the login correctly, and now please subscribe this video. Thank you.